Hello, everyone. This is Yamina from Dr. GPCR. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to take a moment to talk to you about the summit and how to submit your live talk or event on our website. So first of all, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for having told us that you want to share your research. The summit will not be the same without you, and we're very excited to having you at the summit. And we're super excited, as I said, not to only have you, but also, being able to democratize going to meetings, making sure that everybody, in spite of the year that we're living in, can still enjoy science and GPCR-related research. So for those of you who want to submit a live talk or an event, what I would recommend to do is, first of all, go on our website, drgpcr.com/summit-2020-explained. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the menu. So this is the first page where you actually express your interest for the summit. The second page that we're on is the Summit 2020 Explained. And the third page is the schedule. I hope you had a chance to look at the fantastic lineup of speakers we're going to have. But so let's take a moment to talk about the live events. So the first thing that you've done, and we thank you for that, is submit your speaker form. And we're very happy to have you at the summit. So we have actually extended the deadline for submitting a speaker form to August 31st, 2020. If you know someone who has amazing results, amazing research to share with us, amazing tools that would help the GPCR community, please share this page with them and ask them to submit a speaker form. We'll be happy to have them at the summit. So step 2 is prepare your video abstract and your presentation. A lot of you have reached out. You're already doing that in the middle of it, and we're very grateful for that. So step 3 would be clicking on either being able to submit a pre-recorded presentation or submit a live presentation. So I've already made a video that I'm going to share as well about how to fill out the pre-recorded presentation form. But here I want to take a couple of minutes and show you how the live presentation form looks like. So you would come here and click here, and I'm going to open it here in the next window. So this is how the first page of the Google form looks. There is a couple of links that will be easy for you to go back to if you have any other questions. A lot of useful information about the summit, and in here too, we've actually extended the deadline to submit your live talk or event to September 7th, 2020. And the first thing you'd have to do is to fill out and put in your email address. So our email address, in case you have questions, and I'll get back to this, is hello@drgpcr.com. So once you put in your email address, just click next. And then the second section, the second page out of the 3 about your live event talk, you'll have to fill out answer some questions about yourself. So your first name, last name, salutation, phone number, company or university name, country, region, and city. And then the third and last page is actually about your presentation. So you'd have to share with us the title of your event or your talk, any authors and their affiliations. And then here you can choose the event type. So you can submit the form for a live presentation. You would be able also to hold a live Q&A or a live networking event or a discussion or any other event during the week of September 14th to 18th that has to do with GPCR or GPCR-related research. Then here, mandatory, you'd have to upload your video abstract of 3 minutes about your event or your talk. There is a limit of 10 gigabytes for the video abstract. So you would click here, add file, and then upload your video abstract. We'd ask you to put in your name, the title of your talk or your event, and the word abstract at the end of it so that we can easily find your video and classify it. You also have the opportunity to upload any written abstract or any additional information that you think will help the attendees. And this is not mandatory. And then we'll ask you to provide us the time and date of your live event, your time zone, and then what type of virtual meeting software are you planning to use. So you could be using anything going from Google Meet to Zoom or any other. Just tell us which one. Give us the link to your event. And then there's 2 more questions that we're asking you here that are mandatory. Pretty easy, it's simple to answer. And then you just click I understand and agree and then submit, and you would be done with your live event submit form. So what will happen is that the information that we'll get from here will go on our website that will be available to attendees for the summit. So the video abstract will be on our website, and the information to your live talk will also be available on the website for attendees only, and then people can come, for example, on Zoom and join you and listen to your talk. If you're presenting a talk, we also recommend that you record it, and you can send us the recording, and then we can just add it onto your website page that will be shared with attendees. So let's say you want to hold your talk on Monday, on the first day of the summit. You hold it, you record it, send it to us, and then attendees during the entire week will be able to enjoy your talk and will be able to learn more about the research that you're doing. So before I leave you, I just wanted again to say thank you so much for submitting your speaker form and for coming on to Dr. GPCR Summit to share your research. The summit will not be the same without you. We're very excited to have you on board, and hopefully we'll see you at the summit. Thanks so much.